Hey everyone, it's Angela, and today we're making some Easter M&M's Cookie Bars. They're a really easy dessert to make. You can whip these up last minute and they feed a crowd. So if you have tons of people over or you're going to a party or you're doing a potluck, these are the cookie bars you want to take. They're made with Easter M&M's chocolate chips and white chocolate chips, so everyone loves them. We're going to start out with some softened butter and white and brown sugar in a bowl and beat that until you have your creamed butter and sugar. Once that's all mixed up, I'm going to pull that together here, scrape down my sides, and then I'm going to start adding my wet ingredients, including 3 large eggs here, some vanilla extract, and then your incidental things like your baking powder and salt and cornstarch if you want to use it. It's an optional ingredient, but it makes for a really tender cookie. Then we're going to mix that all up before adding the flour. And that mixture will be lumpy. You don't need to make it smooth. We're going to add in the flour here. I add it all at once. You can add it gradually if you want, but for me, it's easier just to go ahead and mix this all in together. You're going to have a little bit, it's a lot of flour, so you're going to have some at the bottom. So make sure you're scraping the bowl really well. And then we'll start adding the chocolate chips. Mini chocolate chips are normally what I like to use in this and my preferred chocolate chip. And then your white chocolate chips and your Easter M&Ms, those pastels, are what makes this our festive treat. And we just want to mix that in until it's evenly distributed throughout the cookie dough. And then we'll spread the cookie dough in our 9x13 baking pan. If you're using parchment paper or aluminum foil to make it really easy to take out of the pan, do make sure that you grease or butter it. And then we'll whip it into the oven and bake that until it is golden like you see here. It's about 30 to 35 minutes at 350 degrees. Let them cool completely in the pan before popping them out to share and serve and slice up, and then enjoy these delicious Easter treats. And be sure to come back and watch more Bake It with Love videos because we have over 2,000 recipes on the site, so I'm sure you're going to find plenty to love.